So hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are here to create the register page in Python. So basic requirement are Python should be installed in your system and all libraries should be pre-installed. If you had not having all, so what you are waiting for? Just go to my video how to install Python, or I will just pin link in I button or in description, and don't forget to watch last video on how to create login page, because in this video we are learning how to create a register page. So let's get started. In previous video we have learned how to create login page. So let's see it, how our login page is looking. So you can see we have created in last video how to create login form. So in this now we will create a register page and linking login page to register page only. So we will follow these steps. In this we will just add the sign up button. So let's type sign up. Let's take a shortcut button. So let's take it at button. So we will just place in Windows. So we have taken shortcut as win. So we will just take it win, and let's type here text, which is register. Okay. So let's type a command. So we will not type. So we will not going to type any command because we haven't create a sign up command here. So we will just type here. So that our button will be appear in this window. So we will just place the button where we want to place. We will just placing here at let's say take x is equal to 420, and let's y should be equal to 70. That's it. Let's save it and let's run it. We can see here our register button has been created. So let's move to as you can see, when we click on register button, it will not open because we haven't given the command to register or to open a register window. So let's create a register window. Okay, so let's move back to the code. At here we will just type here, we will just define sign up. This function basically, when we call up a sign up function, it will just open it all. So let's type here, let's take a new window with school which is sign up. Let's take a Tkinter. So let's type up win sign up. So basically we are using this in word maximum time. So we will just copy it and just type here title. Okay. So let's say title should be a sign up window. So we will just type here sign up. Let's moving to next. We can see here and we will just stick here, and let's define the max size. Let's say it is equal to 500, and let's take height as sorry 600. So we have type here when sign up. So we will now select it and let's copy it, and let's type here, and we will just change it min size. Okay, and we will just take it here same only, and we will at last, and we will just At last, we will just type here a command, so which will be uh, let's type command which will be of sign up as in sign up. Okay, so we have just save it here. Type it here command. We will just save it and just run it. So we can see our when we click on our register button, you can see our sign up window has been opened here. So which is so let's put some label and buttons and entry box in this. So we will just place here some buttons. So first we will take here let's say headings. We will start with heading and we will just type here heading which will be of label which will of win sign up. Okay, let's take here text which will be of sign up, and let's take a font size which will be of Edna 20 bold, 20 will be our font size. And okay, since we have created our first name label, so now we will go and we will just type here first name and we will just place it. Okay, so we have placed the first name data label. So similarly, we will just create various columns such as last name, age, gender, city, address, username, password, and verify password. So quickly, we will just create it similarly as we have just created first name label. Okay, so since we have created all the labels till verify password, we will just save it and we will just run it. So we can see here that when we click on our register, we can see the first name, last name, age, gender, city, address, username, password, verify password, all label I just created here. So we will just move that to the code. Now what we have to do, we have to just create the entry box to take put from the user. So we will just go here and we will just type here entry box uh, as a comment. So after new line, we will just type here first name and we will give that data type as a string variable. So in next line, we similarly we will do with all the headings that we have given above. Last name, we will also assign this last name as a string variable. And now we will go to age and we will just assign it also int variable because we will take age as a numeric number. So we will take input as integer variable. So we will take it in when sign up. So we will take its when sign up and value let's say is equal to 0. So we will take var as gender. So at string variable. Okay. So at city also at a string variable. Now address add as string variable. And now we will take username as string variable. And now we will take password as string variable. Now we will take verify password var pass as string variable. So as you can see, we have just assigned all the data types to our variable. Now we will just create our entry box. We will just give some space. Okay, let's type first name, entry, then sign up. Let's say width is equal to 40, and text variable we will assign as a first name. In the case of text variable, we will type here first name as we have assigned just above first name dot string variable. We just take it, or we can just type as a first name string variable. It is similar. So let's move to next and just place this entry box where we want to place in front of our heading. So we will just place at let's say 200. I have to check it. Mm, so in front of this, I want to place this entry box. So I will just type here 200 and y is equal to 133. Okay, let's move to next and we will just type here last name. Okay, we will create entry box for last name similarly. Then sign up with 40. Okay, all right. So we will take it as a text variable as a last name and we will just place it similarly by taking x-axis will go same only and we will take different y-axis. Okay, let's place age. Okay, let's place it. Similarly, we will place now var. Here I have taken var as gender. You can take any variable as you want to, sorry, any keyword which you want to prefer to write it down. So I have preferred var. So let's take entry box. Okay, in this I will take drop down menu box. So I will take it as a combo box, which is a given in Tkinter to assign the entry box as a drop down menu. I will show it in output only. So let's type it when sign up. Okay, let's type width. We'll give it as 30. Okay, let assign text variable which is of where and state readily. Moving to next line, type where we will type the values which we show in our drop down menus drop down menu. So it will just help us to take direct input from user. We will define gender in three categories: male, female, and transgender. So let's type it. Okay, let's take here. Let's current. Okay, let's place it as where. Place it. Similarly, we will do it as entry box. We will create entry box for city only. Okay, place it. Similarly, as address, place it as, and you now we will take it as username. We'll just place it. Okay. Okay, now we will similarly place password here. Let's type a password. Take entry as sign up and assign it a text variable password. Okay, let's place it. Similarly, we will just create a verify password. So very fast at entry and sign up. We show it as we will take verify password in star only. So we will just assign it as show star. Okay, let's move ahead and just assign test variable as verify pass. Okay, so let's move ahead and just place it. Now we will place it here only. Now we will pass command for button login. Okay, here. So let's assign this button sign up. Basically this button and take the entry from the user base. Okay, Okay, let's add then sign up. Type here. Okay, now we will place it. Similarly, as above, we just place it at 200 and y, let's say, okay, let's say 413. We have just placed it. We'll just save it and run it. So we can see that on clicking on register, our sign up window has been created. And you can see in combo box, we have just given three data entries, which is on male, female, and transgender. When you click on it, automatically this field will be appeared in this. But you cannot sign up this window because we haven't connect this front end to back end. So in next video, I will be going to tell you how to create data connection between front end and back end, and we will just taking entry from the user and save it in SQL or many more database. So you can see our register page has been created. So I will be providing this link of whole code in my description where you can access the whole code. And in next video, I have already told you that we will creating the database connection between the front end, the sign up button, and to the back end. And also I will ping the link of the video of data connection. So hope you have liked this video, and thank you so much for listening me patiently. Until then, keep learning. Thank you so much.